It's Cozytober, take 2. So if you want to see what I got in this sleep and body edit, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to buy clothes. I like to get subscription boxes. I like to go shopping. I like to make videos of unboxings and try-ons. And if you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out for the long haul. Hit the notification bell so that you always know when I put out a new video. And leave me a comment, give me the like. All those things help me grow my channel, and I truly, truly appreciate it. And I appreciate you taking part of your day out to watch my video. So Wantable is a subscription styling service. They send you 7 items. You have 5 days to try them on. They have a style edit. They call their boxes edits. They have a style edit that is work and casual wear. They have an active edit, which is workout wear, athleisure wear, that type of thing. And they have a sleep and body edit, which is what this is, which is loungewear, pajamas, lingerie, that type of thing. So they also do a bunch of themed edits, and the themed edit will fit into one of those 3 categories. So you can set up a regular, rotation of getting it once a month, or I just do the themed edits. And with Cozytober, this year they sent multiple emails saying that they were offering free styling. So usually the styling fee is $20, and that gets applied to anything you purchase. If you don't purchase anything, then you would lose that $20. But they were offering a 0 styling fee, and I had ordered the style Cozytober edit and kept a sweater that I really like a lot. I'll go ahead and leave that link below if you want to check that out. But they kept sending me these emails, also texts, and so I thought, all right, I'll get another one. With both the edits that I ordered, I had problems with them charging me when it was supposed to be free. And we figured out what I needed to do was go in, log in, and then click the link that they sent me, which is a little confusing in my opinion. Anyway, they do send you an envelope to return anything that you don't want to keep. They do have a personalized sticker that says "Styled for Andrea," and this is a pretty big bundle, so give me a minute. So there's the bundle, and I'm going to take the paper off. Okay, so what we have is mostly plastic bags. So I don't think I'm going to be able to hold it, so I'm just going to kind of put it over here. Liking the colors that I'm seeing. I don't look at the prices if I can avoid it, but I will just take a quick peek, and it looks like Jordan styled me. Hi Andrea, welcome back. Consider this your sign to unwind. I've handpicked 7 dreamy sleepwear and lingerie pieces I know you'll love slipping into. This color story is perfect for mixing and matching. I was so excited to snag one of our best-selling robes from PJ Salvage. The cable knit fleece is so soft and plush, you'll never want to take it off. Can't wait for you to try it on. Enjoy these ultra soft, luxurious pics, and when you're checking out, I'd love to hear your feedback. And it looks like there was nothing that I had requested. They have a stream, and you can go on and say, yes, I want this. No, I don't want it. And that helps them. If they have those items, they can send them to you, or also just to learn your style. So we have got a set of Muckluck's women's boot socks, and they're very soft, and they're in shades of purple, and different shades of purple, and then some other colors. So I don't wear a lot of socks. Most of my shoes, if I wear anything at all, it's just like one of those invisible liners. So those are really nice, but I don't know that I would get much use out of them. They also sometimes will include a free gift, and this is a sleep set and bag, sleep mask, socks and hair scrunchie. So it's in this nice material, and it is a hair scrunchie, which I of course can't use, and a sleep mask, and I'm claustrophobic, so probably wouldn't use that either, and then some more socks. So that might make a nice gift for my daughter though. She likes using sleep masks. Oh, Sophie is wanting to come in. So it used to be that you just got the free gift. Now they require you to purchase at least one thing to keep the free gift. Or I guess you could pay for it as well. All right, let me let Sophie in. If you're new, Sophie is my doggie, and she likes to come in when I'm filming, and I also have a kitty, Lucy, who also often likes to come in. So this is the robe by PJ Salvage, and it is a really nice, soft, cozy material. It has a belt, has pockets. It is short, and I like long robes. I'm looking at it though, I'm wondering if it could just be worn as like a cardigan, because it is cute. So I will try that on for you. I'm kind of discombobulated because typically I have the thing sitting on my lap and then I put them on my table here, but I can't do that because all the plastic was making it slide off. Okay, this is a set of undies by, who makes them? I'm not sure, but it's a set of 2 pairs of undies. I'm really picky about my undies. So I generally only wear one brand, Chantal. So I'm not even gonna open those up, but. Okay, this is by Z Supply, and it's actually a set. Okay, so it's a top and shorts. The shorts have a kind of wide, sheared waistband, and they've got like that lettuce edge. Looks like pretty short shorts, very soft, feels really nice. It's in this very pretty pink. And then the top is long sleeve. It's just kind of a sweatshirt style. Cuffs, again, really nice material. This is the opposite of what I would wear to bed. I wear short sleeves to bed, and in the winter I would wear long pants. So I don't think that this would work for me for a pajama set, but the top sure is cute. So if it's, you know, if it fits, looks good, I might keep it just to wear as a top. So even though that is a set, it does count as 2 pieces. This says this is a set, and I think it counts as 1 piece. So we have long sleeves. It's by Me Moi, but it's a nice light long sleeve. And then it's got that lettuce edge. And then the pants, they look like a crop style. And it's in this, it looks like it's like a purplish gray. Okay, and then last, is that 7 items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it is 7 items. And then last, we've got a pair of mucklucks. And trying to decide if I want to open these. Sure, why not? So they have the pom-poms, and in the back they have this pattern. This inside is really soft, and they're like a low booty or high booty. I don't know what you would call that. But so those are my items in my Sleep and Body edit. So I will try on the pajamas for you and the robe. I'll show you my outfit of the day, and then we will try these things on. So today I am wearing an outfit by Nordstrom. Sorry, I got a fuzzy on me. The top is this gauzy teal colored rails shirt that I got for a really good price. And then the jeans are a boyfriend style. What is all this fuzzy stuff? A boyfriend style cut from the cloth that I got from the anniversary sale. And then I just got on some Uggs. And Uggs are generally what I like to wear throughout the day because my feet don't sweat in them because they are shearling. And I have found that like the synthetic fibers that like the mucklucks, if I wear them all day, my feet tend to sweat in them. So Uggs is usually what I'm wearing around the house unless it's the summer and it's warm and then I'm just wearing flip-flops. So this is my outfit of the day. And next time you see me, I'll be in some PJs. Okay, this is the pink set by Z Supply, I think makes this. These shorts are quite short. It is really soft. This is exactly the kind of material that I like to sleep in. The shorts come up pretty high. Yeah, I was trying to pull them down because they were just super short in the back and I didn't want anything to be indecent. But yeah, I'm not sure if I would want these even if it was summer. They're really soft, I like that, but they are so short. The top is really cute, just relaxed. It's got, you know, the banded bottom, just a crew neck. It's got that little kind of V that makes me think of a sweatshirt. I am actually going to put my jeans back on because I want to see what this shirt looks like as a shirt, not a sleep shirt, because I would think I would get warm in this. I do want to try on, you know what, actually I'm going to try that on when I have the jeans on. Be right back. So this is what it looks like with just some jeans. So if I was just wearing it as a top, I think it's nice. It's really soft. It's light, so wouldn't want it for a super cold day, but it would be great for just, you know, one of those lounging around the house type of days. I could wear it out though, you know, if I was going to run an errand, I think it would be appropriate to wear out. We'll have to see what the price is, but this is a possibility as just a shirt. I did want to try on this robe because, like I said, I would not wear, and no, it's not going to work for how I was thinking. I don't like short robes. I like to be covered up. I wear robes in the morning before I shower and while I'm, it's super cozy. When I'm putting on my makeup and doing my hair and all that, and when it's cold, I want my legs covered. So I am not a short robe type of person. I wondered if it would work just as like a cardigan, and it would not. You can see the hem is uneven. Maybe it's supposed to go this way. Yeah, it's a super nice robe if you like short robes. It's very, very cozy, and the arms are kind of long, but it's just, short robes aren't my jam. All right, let's try on that set. All right, this is the pajama set, and it is a cropped length. It is too small. The buttons are pulling apart. I'll come up a little close. I don't want to come up too close because it's thin and showing all my lumps and bumps. So it's comfortable, but it's too small. And I actually don't like wide legs for sleeping. I prefer like a jogger style or, you know, a more narrow pant. So those are the things I'm going to try on for you. Let's do prices and a recap. Okay, so I give them an A+ for cozy. Definitely cozy items for sure. I am not sure I'm going to keep anything. So we'll start out with the quote-unquote free gift. It's actually not a free gift. It's keep one item, get this free. And they are valuing this at $99.99. I think that's what it is. It's crossed out. But even if it's $99, I would not pay $99 for this. a hair scrunchie, a mask, and socks. That, I do not feel like that is worth $99. I think that is way an overestimate. Okay, so the undies are by Montel. They are a brief, and they are $36. And these are very pretty, but like I said, I wear one type of undies, and those are not them. I usually go in order, but because of the way they had things kind of in a crazy order. The Cable Crew Lounge robe in ivory by PJ Salvage is $118. And that seems a little high because it's short. I mean, I would pay it if it was long. I would have kept it if it was long because it is super, super cozy. But it's, like I said, I don't wear short robes. Okay, the Dawn Rib Smocked Short in Pink Glaze by Z Supply Lounge. These little shorts are $49. I'm sorry. I don't care how soft they are. $49 for a little pair of short pajamas is excessive. The top, the Sleep Tight Rib Top in Pink Glaze by Z Supply Lounge is $59. And this was really soft. I love the color. This is a maybe. $59 seems a little high for just a loungy shirt, but it is super duper soft. So this is a maybe. This will be a consideration. The Mucklucks Amira Slipper Booty in Blackberry Mucklucks are $44. And I didn't even try them on because they're held together by one of those little plastic things. And I knew I wasn't going to keep them because I just don't wear things like that. The socks, the microfiber boot socks, a 3-pair by Mucklucks is $30. And I think that's a fair price. They're super, super soft, but like I said, I just don't wear socks. Occasionally I'll wear socks when I'm just hanging around the house, but usually I'm just wearing my slippers. So I'm afraid that I would keep them because they're so soft, and then I would never wear them, and that would be a waste of money. And then last we have the Lettuce Edge Rib Set in Purple Gray by Mimois. It was originally $88 and it was marked down to $66. I think that's probably a fair price for that, but it was too small. What size was it? Extra small. I would have to exchange it, and I didn't love it enough. So the the total is $402. That seems like a lot. If you keep 5 items, you do get a 20% discount, but the keep 5 plus discount is calculated on all 7 items. So that is would be a discount of $80.40, bringing it down to $321.60, plus tax would bring it to $349.26. The only thing that I am considering keeping is this, and I'm kind of on the fence about it because I feel like $59 is just a lot for just a loungy shirt, but it is so soft. I don't know. I'll try it on again. That's the only thing I'm thinking about keeping. So that's why I'm really glad that if I kept that, then I could also keep that, and then I could give my daughter that, and she would like that. Or I could also give it to my boyfriend or my son's girlfriend. Yeah. So that was my Cozytober Sleep and Body edit. Let me know what you thought. And if you've ordered any of the Cozytober boxes, what you got, did you get anything good? All right, until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.